And the Little League Southeast Regionals are back in town, this time for the 2-week-long baseball tournament in Warner Robins. No local team representing Georgia this time around. The Peach State boys hail from Peachtree City, but there is a familiar face in the dugout, or at least near the diamond. Former Warner Robins Little League standout Jason Sykes, you see him right there. Jason and his brother Ken start on Perry and Warner Robins teams in the late 80s and the early 1990s. These days, Jason is coaching his son's state championship Bull City Little League team out of Durham, North Carolina, and they are looking for a chance to advance to the World Series in Williamsport. Sykes' son Eli is a star pitcher for the Tar Heels, but all in all, it's a homecoming for Jason, and he's excited to be here.
We had a great state tournament, and we are coming down. Man, it's awesome to be back home. It's awesome to play in front of home fans, family, friends, and sometimes I get emotional, you know, just knowing that we come back home and we're playing. I didn't play on these fields right here. I played over in the old Flint field off of Davis Drive. But, it was awesome to just come back and represent our state and our state, North Carolina, and play in Georgia. And just, you know, to see him go out there and throw like I threw, it's a blessing. And so, man, I don't take it for granted.
Also good to see him. He was a classmate of mine at Warner Robins. Now, Jason was drafted in 1994 in the 4th round of the MLB amateur draft by the Philadelphia Phillies. He went on to play 5 seasons in the minors for 3 different ball teams. Now, the Little League team from North Carolina, they lost game 1 but rebounded to win Saturday's matchup. However, they were eliminated with a loss this afternoon to Georgia 4-2.